Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with the Kuvings Auto 10. First, select your favorite fruits like berries or mangoes, making sure they are ripe. Cut them into small, manageable pieces, about 1 inch in size. Then, freeze these fruit pieces completely solid for a minimum of 12 hours. This crucial step ensures the perfect sorbet texture. Next, let's prepare your Kuvings Auto 10. First, insert the specialized sorbet strainer into the juicing bowl. This is different from the regular juicing strainer. Then, place the spinning brush and the auger firmly into the bowl. Finally, secure the hopper and the lid onto the main body of the juicer, ensuring it's locked correctly for safe operation. Now for the fun part, making the sorbet. Turn on your Kuvings Auto 10. Begin feeding your frozen fruit pieces into the wide feed chute. The Auto 10 powerful motor will process them into a smooth, delightful sorbet. If necessary, use the tamper gently to guide the fruit down. Watch as your fresh, homemade sorbet emerges into your waiting bowl. Your delicious homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the best texture and flavor, serve it immediately. You can add a fresh mint sprig or a few berries as a garnish. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. When ready to eat again, let it soften slightly at room temperature for a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.